The city, in its essence, has always been a reflection of our collective ambitions, a physical manifestation of our societal aspirations. It's been constantly evolving, growing, and transforming alongside our technology, a dynamic dance between innovation and urban space. From the ancient walls of Jericho, a testament to early human settlement, to the towering skyscrapers of modern Manhattan, a symbol of global commerce and ambition. Today, we stand at the dawn of the sentient city, a new era in urban development. Imagine a metropolis alive with a network of sensors and sophisticated AI, constantly learning and adapting to the rhythms and needs of its people, anticipating their desires and responding in real time. Imagine a city that anticipates your needs, a proactive urban environment that caters to your well-being, seamlessly rerouting your commute to avoid traffic congestion, ensuring a smooth and efficient journey, intelligently adjusting building climates to optimize energy consumption and create comfortable environments, and diligently conserving resources through smart grids and automated systems, all operating seamlessly in the background, a silent symphony of efficiency. This is not a far-fetched science fiction fantasy. It's actively happening now, unfolding before our eyes. Cities worldwide are rapidly becoming more responsive, adaptive, and ultimately more human-centric in their design and operation. Over the course of this exploration, we'll delve into how AI is fundamentally reshaping urban design, revolutionizing mobility, and optimizing infrastructure to create more livable and sustainable environments. We'll examine how these technologies are being deployed to tackle age-old challenges like crippling traffic congestion, pervasive pollution, and deeply entrenched inequity. Yet, as we weave the intricate threads of AI into the fabric of our cities, we must also confront the complex ethical questions that arise, concerns surrounding privacy, the potential for bias, and the critical need for digital equity. The ultimate goal isn't simply to create smart cities, but to cultivate wise ones. Cities that are not only efficient and technologically advanced, but also fair, inclusive, and deeply human in their essence. The future of our cities is not predetermined. It is ours to shape, to mold, and to define. Through thoughtful dialogue, collaborative planning, and a steadfast commitment to balancing human values with the immense potential of artificial intelligence. Urban planning was once slow and imprecise, limited by human capacity and static data. Now, AI sifts through vast urban data, satellite images, traffic, social sentiment, revealing hidden city dynamics. AI-powered platforms can generate thousands of design options in minutes, optimizing for walkability, green space, and affordability. By setting clear goals, we guide AI to create holistic, context-aware designs, augmenting human creativity and uncovering novel solutions. Real-world projects like Singapore's digital twin and Toronto's modular neighborhoods show AI's practical impact. AI doesn't replace planners, it elevates them, automating analysis so humans can focus on community needs and cultural value. The partnership between human intuition and machine intelligence is the foundation of next-generation urban design. Together, we can build cities that are not just smarter but more beautiful and meaningful. Consider the challenge of redeveloping a post-industrial waterfront, a space once defined by industry, now ripe for transformation. These areas often hold immense potential but also present complex problems. It's a challenge many cities face globally, from revitalizing neglected docks to creating vibrant public spaces along the water's edge. Traditionally, urban development relied on a few master plans, often shaped by a limited circle of experts. Feedback was often constrained, and community input was minimal. This approach often missed the community's true needs, leading to developments that didn't quite resonate with the people who lived there. The result? Disconnected neighborhoods and unrealized potential. But now, with AI-driven platforms, we can define objectives with greater precision. Things like vibrancy, sustainability, and equity, the cornerstones of a thriving urban environment. We can then let AI generate thousands of different layouts, exploring a vast range of possibilities. Each layout is rigorously evaluated for key performance indicators like energy use, ensuring sustainable design. We also assess walkability, creating pedestrian-friendly environments, and crucially, social impact, ensuring equitable outcomes for all residents. This data-driven process transforms planning into a collaborative game, a dynamic exchange of ideas and insights. It's a space where residents can actively adjust variables, tweaking parameters to reflect their priorities, and they can instantly see the consequences of their choices, understanding the ripple effects of each decision. In this way, citizens become co-creators, active participants in shaping their own environments. This fosters a sense of ownership and shared responsibility, building consensus and strengthening communities. For example, in Guadalajara, AI analyzes informal settlements, identifying community strengths and unique characteristics. And in Madrid, AI reveals the emotional ties people have to their public spaces, informing design decisions that honor those connections. Ultimately, these tools democratize design, empowering communities to shape their own futures. This approach makes cities not only technically efficient, but also emotionally resonant, creating spaces that truly connect with people. AI empowers us to create places where people truly belong, fostering a sense of community and shared identity. The future of urban planning is participatory, embracing the power of collective intelligence. It's data-informed, grounded in evidence, and above all, deeply human, putting people at the heart of the design process. If AI-driven planning is the city's brain, orchestrating the complex dance of urban life, then smart infrastructure is its nervous system. A vast, intricate network constantly relaying information. It's the sensory web that allows the city to feel, react, and adapt to the ever-changing needs of its inhabitants. Sensors and connected devices let the city monitor and respond in real time, gathering data on everything from traffic flow to air quality, transforming passive infrastructure into an active, adaptive system. No longer static and unresponsive, the city becomes a dynamic entity capable of learning and evolving. Smart grids predict energy demand, anticipating peaks and valleys in consumption. Integrate renewables and balance supply, ensuring a stable and sustainable power source for all. This intelligent management reduces reliance on fossil fuels and minimizes environmental impact, while AI in buildings reduces waste by learning occupancy patterns, optimizing lighting, heating, and cooling to match actual needs. Water networks use AI to detect leaks early, saving resources and preventing costly repairs. This proactive approach conserves precious water and avoids disruptive infrastructure failures. Smart waste bins optimize collection routes, signaling when they're full and ready for pickup, cutting emissions and keeping streets cleaner. This efficient system reduces traffic congestion and promotes a healthier urban environment. AI enhances public safety, analyzing weather data for early warnings, providing timely alerts about potential hazards like floods or extreme temperatures, monitoring bridges and coordinating emergency responses, ensuring that resources are deployed quickly and effectively to where they are needed most. In a crisis, AI clears paths for ambulances and directs citizens away from danger using real-time information to guide them to safety. The sentient city is a proactive guardian, constantly working to protect and serve its people. It's a city that anticipates needs, responds to challenges, and strives to improve the quality of life for all. Intelligent infrastructure is the backbone of a resilient, efficient, and sustainable urban future. It's the foundation upon which we can build cities that are not only smarter but also more livable and equitable. The city itself becomes a living, thinking ecosystem, a complex and interconnected web of systems working in harmony to create a better world for all. Cities produce over 70% of global emissions, making sustainable urban living an urgent priority. AI enables targeted, data-driven strategies to decarbonize cities, from building design to entire metropolitan systems. Generative algorithms optimize building facades for natural ventilation, while citywide analysis pinpoints the best spots for parks and green roofs. In urban agriculture, AI powers vertical farms, maximizing yield, reducing food miles, and strengthening food security. AI also drives the circular economy, tracking materials, optimizing recycling, and turning waste into resources. These intelligent systems close the loop, transforming cities into regenerative, sustainable environments. With AI, the green transition becomes actionable and effective. Urban mobility is plagued by congestion, draining our time, economy, and well-being. AI offers a way out, orchestrating real-time, multimodal transportation for faster, cleaner journeys. Autonomous vehicles communicating with each other and traffic systems increase road capacity and reduce jams. Shared, on-demand fleets could free up land now wasted on parking. AI-powered traffic management like SurTrack in Pittsburgh dynamically adjusts signals, cutting travel times and emissions. Public transit becomes smarter. Routes and schedules adapt to real-time demand, making it more reliable. Mobility as a Service apps integrate all options, letting users choose the best route by cost, time, or carbon footprint. The result: seamless, efficient, and sustainable urban movement. AI is ending traffic as we know it. The smartest cities will be those where AI and citizens collaborate, not where technology dictates from above. AI should empower people, making urban governance more responsive and democratic. Participatory planning tools let residents see the impact of their ideas, fostering informed, engaged communities. AI-powered apps turn citizens into active partners, reporting issues, tracking repairs, and closing the feedback loop with city services. This partnership creates a city that learns and evolves with its people. By analyzing urban data ethically, we design spaces and policies that truly reflect how people live. The city becomes a dynamic co-creation between inhabitants and intelligent systems. As we embrace AI-powered cities, we must prioritize ethics, balancing efficiency with privacy, equity, and autonomy. Massive data collection demands robust safeguards and transparent governance to prevent surveillance and protect freedom. Privacy rules must be clear, with citizens controlling their data and technologies like facial recognition subject to strict oversight. Algorithmic bias is a real risk. We must audit AI systems and ensure decisions are transparent and accountable. The digital divide can't be ignored. Access to smart city benefits must be universal, not just for the tech-savvy. Digital equity, public Wi-Fi, and accessible interfaces are essential for social cohesion. A truly smart city is one that serves all its citizens, not just a privileged few. The AI-powered city is one of the great adventures of our time, offering tools to create more sustainable, resilient, and responsive urban environments. But technology alone isn't enough. Algorithms can't build community or guarantee justice. The real challenge is social and ethical. What kind of city do we want to live in? The answers must come from inclusive public dialogue, not just labs or boardrooms. We need transparent governance, citizen participation, and a willingness to learn from failure. The sentient city must be a democratic project shaped by collective values. The future is a choice. Let's steer technology toward the cities we truly desire. Let's use AI as a partner in building cities that are wise, just, and inspiring. The city of tomorrow is ours to build together.